Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7 diesel sports wagon, stock reference number 3905. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the right hand rear. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent. Left car door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has two small dents. Left rear door has two small dents and a medium dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a cluster of multiple dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And right guard appears to have no damage. Under the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black center console lid, manual type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, 6-speed manual gear knob, climate control, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.